Your factory probably does not need another dashboard. Dashboards are useful. They help teams monitor what they already know to look for. But manufacturing problems rarely arrive as clean, predictable KPIs. Scrap spikes. A lot goes on hold. A line slows down. A release gets delayed. And suddenly the answer is spread across MES, ERP, SCADA, QMS, PLM, historians, and spreadsheets. That is the real pain. Not lack of data. Decision latency. Teams need to know what changed, which lots are affected, why yield dropped, and what is blocking release. The better starting point is not another chart. It is the questions your teams wait too long to answer. And in regulated manufacturing, fast answers still need source context, traceability, and trust. The goal is simple: better questions, faster decisions, and less time chasing the story. Start by writing down the 20 questions your team waits too long to answer. That is where practical AI readiness begins.